Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see the difference between license and lease. Friends, if you keep in mind the example of both the cases, then it will be easier to understand. License, driving license. Okay, lease of rent of a property. Matlab property is taken on lease for say 2 years, 3 years. So keep that in mind and then we will go to the differences. It will become easy. Okay, transferable licenses are not transferable. Okay, driving license cannot be transferred to your brother or sister, whereas lease can be transferable. Okay, you can transfer the lease to your son or anybody else also. Now registration. Driving license is an instrument granting right and registration is optional. Okay, a right is granted over there. A right to drive a vehicle is given by the department. So okay, so that is license. So license is a right, is an instrument granting right, and registration is optional in some cases. Okay, whereas in lease it is an instrument creating right and registration is mandatory. Okay, transferee bound. The license is transferee of the licensor and is not bound by the transferee of the licensor is not bound by the license, whereas in case of lease the transferee of the license is bound by the license, by the lease. Okay, the license is terminated on the death of the licensor. Okay, the driving license will finish once a person dies, whereas in case of lease, if the person whereas the death of the lessor does not terminate the lease will continue for the period for which it has been granted. It will go to his nominees and all that. Okay, breach of deed. In case of license, in case of breach of deed, the license deed, the aggrieved party can only claim the compensation. Whereas in case of lease, in case of breach of lease, the aggrieved party can claim for specific performance. Okay, the governing act in case of license is governed by Indian Easement Act, whereas lease is governed by the Transfer of Property Act. For the license, constitution is paid by way of fee, and in case of lease, the constitution is paid by way of rent. I hope you get the differences correct. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.